Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FX, and here I'd like to share my analysis with you guys. If you're not following us on Telegram channel, I could advise you join our Telegram channel. The link is on the description of this video, and when you join Telegram channel, you can see what we are doing there. We don't trade every day. I don't trade every day. I trade when I see opportunity. So when I see an opportunity, I share in Telegram channel. I share my entry. I share my exit. And everybody there make profits. We don't charge anything. The Telegram channel is a VIP one. I don't charge them anything because why? I've already made profit trading. So I don't charge. My VIP channel is free of charge. Just join the description below and enjoy your Telegram. So without waiting much of your time, let us start with the pounds and Australian dollar. You see that the pounds Australian dollar is daily time frame. Let's start with daily time frame so you can see the bigger picture. See what it's doing. It's doing wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and they are done with 4. So it's going to do wave 5. Normally the wave 5 is normally very huge. Sometimes it's going to be small. But the wave 1 of the wave 5 already been completed. And the wave 2 of that wave 5 already been completed. So we're talking about the wave 3 of that wave 5. So the wave 3 here, the wave 1 already been completed. Okay, sorry. The wave 1 of the wave 5 is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The wave 2 is this one, W, X, Y. And the wave 3 has started. This is the wave 1 of wave 3, wave 2 of wave 3, and the wave 3 of wave 3 is moving. So last week I was planning to buy from, I thought it's going to drop more from to this very level. Thought it's going to drop more to this level for a buy. But due to yesterday news, Friday news, non-farm payroll news, the thing trigger from here. So what will I do now? Because it's going to be a long journey up. So I have to find an opportunity to enter. So how will I enter? Wait for correction. Maybe Monday we're going to be a little bit correction. I will come to this very level. Or any correction that comes to the level, I will enter, put in my stop loss here. I'll enter and put my stop loss. This is how I'll enter from here. My stop loss will be here. And my target will be here. Target will be above the place because going for a long ride. The target above this tree. That's about 1:3 is enough. As I get this 1:3, I'm happy and comfortable with it. It's going to be huge because I'm risking 1% of my account. So you don't have to stress yourself much about that. So the update when I will going to enter will be on my Telegram channel. So if you are not there, make sure you are there. The second here is good. Sent to happen on Friday. On good. On Friday morning, I was happy when I was seeing good towards here. Okay, let me go down more. I was happy when I was seeing good towards here on Friday morning, and it was here on that morning. No, on Thursday night, it was here. Thursday Nigerian time, it was here at night. So I was expecting to do 5, which is this 5. So before Friday, because I don't want to trade it because of a non-pan failure, because I expected it maybe it may cross here. If non-pan failure have been negative, you will see it go here. So trading news is 50-50. I don't like trading news. So, but I missed out when the news was released. It came here. I don't want to enter again, so it dropped to the very day. So what am I waiting for now? This is the wave 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expecting a correction from here. It's going to be a small correction. to 50% of this very level of this trade, then I'll enter and sell. My target is gonna be this very place. This place is going to be my target. Then I can leave it and see what happens here before I buy. But it can come all the way to this very place. But this is my target. So it's not all hope is not yet lost in good. We miss out on good sales doesn't mean I don't gonna see another sales on it. This is where we are looking forward to enter. And tomorrow morning, next week may come and it may not correct much, or it may not even correct to that level and continue going. But no, but I always find another opportunity to make money for it. So we don't stress ourselves, forcing ourselves until the market come to where you want it to come. That's when we trade, and that's how you become a very professional trader. That risking more without wasting your money. The same thing goes with dollar index. Dollar index. Let's see the bigger picture of dollar index. The bigger picture, pointing sell. You can see it. Yeah, looking at it. See where I started. Analyze its weekly time frame. This is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. And it has come to wave 5. It has come to wave 5. So you have done the A of 5, A, B, and C. You have done the B. Then there's a tendency that this B is not yet complete. This B can still go up, like it can still go from here up to this level before it now sells. But right now, what I'm anticipating is a sell from this very level until if you break this place, then I know that that B is going to up, so I'll start buying. And that is still in confine of this place. I'll look for opportunity to sell it below. So what I expected is a correction. Then here I see here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A and B and C. I see an expanded flat. So I wanted to say from a bet. Meanwhile, if I see a good correction here, I can buy to this very level. It's a good risk reward ratio. Let's assume that we get a correction to this trend line. Let's go 15 minutes in charts. Assuming that we get correction here, a very good one that you can identify, maybe zigzag, this place, and then the up move is again. Then we can enter. Enter from here with a stop loss here, and then target up. Target here. That is the 1:6. A very good reward ratio. A very good reward ratio. So that's how I trade. So I don't rush trade. Trade is always there, and there's no point rushing it. This one applies to Euro US dollar. So US dollar, since kept as of this of the direction now, because looking at it, a 5-wave up have done, an A, B, and C correction have done. I bet this correction end at that 8% of this level. It did not correct to 50% or something. So there's every tendency that the trade is going to come down to this 50%. But looking at what is happening here, I discovered there is still going to be an up move before the correction is completed. So let's go to 4 hours. You see that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. There's an A, B, C wave, and this is a broken trend line of this place. So there's everything this is coming to here and then bounce up again to this very place. So, but if it is not going to bounce from here and break below here, then we continue to sell to 50%. We continue to sell to this very price, 50%. So that's it for Euro US dollar. So what am I expecting the Euro US dollar? So I'm expecting the market to correct more, then drop to this place. So I'll be selling. I will sell something like, if I see a opportunity, I'll sell. For my stop loss, yeah. My entry should be 50%. Then my target will be here. You know, this one ratio is very small. Oh, you know not that small. 1:2. So 1:2. 1:2. So it's a good trade. If I see 50% of this correction, I enter, put my stop loss here, and then target here. It's 1:2. So you can still see a good trade here. Just selling. But the buying, once it's bounced off from here, I'll buy to this very moment. To this very buy to this X. So that's for your US. Then this guy in Great Britain. I think it's time for him to come down to that place I expected it to come. I expected it to come to this very place for a proper correction, but he has been dodging it. But I think it's time now we go reach there. Looking at it, this is with one, with two, with three. So I expected a correction. I expected a correction. Expected a correction and then drop to here. That's my target. So anything that happens here, then I'll be watching and know what to do next. So what next? Talk about AUD. AUD. I focused the AUD because of that news, because of that non-farm period. I didn't enter. Don't like trading news, but look at it. It hits my target. Almost 1:3. Hit the target the same Friday. But I didn't trade it. I just forecasted it. And I see the news. I don't want to risk. News is 50-50 because news can come, you believe it, you lose everything. So I don't risk on news, especially on dollar news that is heavy. What is CPI, non-farm payroll, those unpredicted news. I don't like listening it. So this one, I think this guy is on a very good way. We see trend line. Yeah, I did 1, 2, 3, 5 to the trend line. So yeah, completed the trend movement. So what are we expecting? And a correction. I think a correction to the 61 or 50% Fibonacci ratio. Correction to this very level. Correction to this very level would be adequate for a buy. Because looking at it, this is wave one, this is wave two, and this is wave three. Wave one of wave three has completed. So we are taking of wave two of wave three. I think the correction has started, going to drop this year and corrected, going to do small correction and then drop again before we now buy. So we're anticipating the correction. I was going to say if you correct 50% of here to this very place. So that's where we're going to trade this guy. So what is next? US dollar, yeah. US dollar shift. So I see it when it does this thing and do expanded flat. I see it, but these guys, the way the pair normally move, I don't like trading it. I don't like trading. I can analyze it, but I don't trade it because you look at this movement now. It breaks. I said it's when it breaks outside, but it breaks here and move up sharply. That sharply move up bring confusion. So I didn't trade it. I leave it and I forgot about it. So what I'm seeing here is going to go up a bit, going to come up very place or more than that place. So if you are good in it, you can buy it. If you're not good in it, leave it. Well, again, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, did a very good thing for me. It bounce off trend line. See the trend line bounce off here. You come to that bounce off. There's an correction here. A, B, C. Bounce off the trend line. Do A, do B, do wave one, do wave two. So we're anticipating wave three now. We're going to be targets of this wave three. Here should be my target. I'll be targeting here. So what am I doing? I will be expecting a correction. A just slight correction, not a big one. And then get it here. When you look at it, He discovered that's a very good reward ratio. And here, the stop loss being under the correction. When the correction is over, enter. See, it's going to be a good reward ratio. You enter from here, and this correction will be below. So one is the three. So so my ladder, I will trade it. I like trading it because normally this one is the same thing. Just expanding flat A, B, and C. It's a very good expanding flat, a very good one. C, B, C, and you have moved. You have done wave one already finished. See, look at it, small time frame. Let's see it where you have already done wave one finish. Looking at it where you see it. See the operation of wave one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is completed. So what is it doing? Correction. Correction. This is A, this is B, and I'm going to come to do C. So what am I expecting? Just a little collection, this very place. And then we'll hit profit. Very big one. It's a very good trade. It's a very, very good trade. I will be looking at it to join. It's a very, very creative trade. Going to pay us very huge. Don't miss this trade. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. It's a very good one. So what next? I'm looking at Euro, Australian dollar. No, I don't trade this pair. Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped. I don't analyze Bitcoin. I'm not in the mood to analyze cryptocurrencies now. And what again? Play with the same thing that goes with the same. You can see the same. Was the same thing. The same thing. The same correction pattern, and expand them flat. So I'm going to risk what I will risk to trade this expanded flat. And with one already completed. So we are waiting for a correction from here. This correction is going to be good. One of these corrections completed, maybe on Monday, you will buy and enjoy. It's probably not going to reach here. Maybe you come to the end of this place. So we'll end here. So we buy. It's going to be a very good profit. It's going to hit more than break above here. That's for Great Britain, Japanese yen. Four other pairs, Japanese, same thing goes here. But I'm not trading this one. Not trading this one. I'm not trading this one. I tried this one, but I miss it. I'm not trading it again. This one. I think I'm not trading this one. Wait. Oh, it's like I'll trade this guy. Wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is ABC. Leave this guy. That's not a good trade. Don't like this kind of pairs. Normally, sometimes they misbehave and they confuse. They are not good. And which pair is this? Wow. Okay. This pair is a very good move. I think I have to wait for correction. Then we'll buy. Well, when the week comes out, I will know. If you're not on Telegram channel, make sure you are there because that place I will be updating. I will be updating what is going on in the chat. I will be updating my entry and everything. It's S&P 500. He did the wave one. He did the one. S&P 500 did 1, 2. It's coming to 3, 4, 5. So this is another one. Another 1, 2. And this is 3. This is 4. And this one is 5. Let me change the color so that it will be more understandable. So this is wave one, wave two. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is not yet complete because this is 1, 2, 3. It is doing 4, so it's going to move a little bit up to complete this 5. So expect a move here to complete this 5 before another correction will happen to here. Then another 5 will come. If you don't understand this thing, you have to learn Elliott wave to understand it well. And if you don't understand it, just learn Elliott wave. Understand. Well, I'm not handling any training now. I don't know when time will be right for me to handle training because I'm engaged so many things. So 5 is up. So this is what we expected. It's going to move up to complete this 5, this 3, then come and do another 4. Like this, the 4 of this one. When you do the 4 of this one, then it can now continue going up. So that's what I expected. The same thing goes in NAS. The same thing goes in NAS. Network. Okay, last week we have a good shop in NAS. So we entered there and they did profit. So we made a lot of profit in NAS last week. If you are in Telegram, you have seen this profit, but you're not in Telegram, you have missed out. So the same thing goes in NAS here. I can see it. This is 1, 2. And this is okay, this is let me label this one first. This is 1, this is 2, and this is the 3, this is the 4, and it's coming to the 5. You understand? So this is where I exit the trade. That's it. I exit the trade here. That's all. I think that's okay now. So what are we expecting? We are expecting another move. We're expecting a 5th move. Come here and then a correction. Another move up. This correction, what is it? For this one, look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me make it more visible so it can be differentiated. You see it? Okay, let's yeah, time frame. You understand it. If you don't understand it, you have to learn earlier. Okay, the one that will do video educating video for my distance. You can see what is happening. You understand now. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 of wave 2, wave 1 of wave 3, wave 1 of wave 3, wave 2 of wave 3, wave 3 of wave 3, wave 4 of wave 3, and wave 5 of wave 3. This is wave 3. I'm going to be have a wave 4 before we continue the journey. So what are we expecting? A buy, certainly a buy in money to this very place. So you can buy if you want to buy here. Maybe by Monday, I will drop the entry and the stop loss in the regular channel. So make sure you join. The last but not the least is this American. I have not understand what this trade is doing, Joe. That's why I have not even analyzed it. I'm just looking at it to think, looking for what I understand. It's like a doing correction. So I've not grabbed what it's doing. The movement is somehow, so I don't want to analyze it. It's a pitbull. Okay, that is all for today. That's all for today. Please remember to share this channel. Remember to subscribe. Remember to follow us. You will get a lot. You will learn a lot if you are following this channel. So you learn a lot and you're going to have knowledge on how to trade, when to trade, and how not to trade. Even though I miss trading on Friday, I don't want to trade news. I don't like trading news because news will wreck your account. Don't think that you know where the news is coming from. The day you wreck your account, you begin to cry. So you don't, news is 50-50. It's like gambling. Playing bet. That's what news is. So we don't trade news. That's why those misses are misses. It doesn't matter. This week again, I'll find another good, very good trade and I will make a good profit. That's how market is. Market is like a barrack. Soldier go, soldier come, and barrack remains. So it's just like that. You don't have to blow your account trying to trade every day, try to find every trade. No. So just know that yeah, once you see a target, look at the news before you trade. So that news will not obstruct. I've been in this state for many years and I know what news have done to me. You know, when it obstruct my trading, you know, when it distort my everything I do. So I don't avoid it. Sometimes it plays for my favor, very good. Sometimes it go against me, but it's 50-50. So, but I don't like traders. I normally hit my target 100% when I'm not in, when the news are not in vogue. Once I analyze my trade and I look at no news, I enter the trade. I normally hit 50%. I on 99% of them end up profit. So that's why I discovered that news is a nuisance and I avoid it. So thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for viewing my channel. And I thank you for subscribing. And have a wonderful day. And God bless you.